I'm gonna install this today. This is one of those modern take on a ceiling fan. This is the smaller, more modern kind of look. Also comes with an app, so you could control it via an app or the remote itself. So it has all the features and functions over here. It comes in a box, very, very nicely packaged. Everything you need is in it, including the remote and all the connections. This is a do-it-yourselfer, kind of like a dream setup. So it's really, really easy. Everything is labeled, as you can see. We're gonna just hook it up to the ceiling and then see how it looks. Box, it comes with all the bolts that you need, including the anchors to put it on the ceiling. Good attention to detail. This goes on the ceiling and it has a little attachment, so you could hang the light and connect the wires before you put it into its final place, so you don't struggle resting it on your shoulder. Remote on, it's nice and bright. Fan works, so there's like 6 speeds that you could choose from. Also, you could choose the direction that a fan spins. It can go either up or down, so in reverse for winter. Pretty good. It's also very, very slim, so it's a lot closer to the ceiling than the old one. The lights are pretty powerful. You could dim them. So you could dim them or put it on max. And then also you could change the color. So you could, it has 3 color modes and you could choose from that. Also has a 2-hour timer, so you could set it up so it turns off in 2 hours, which is also nice. You can control it from the light switch. So right now it's off, on, off, on, off, on. Now one thing that you're gonna notice that when you flip the switch, it changes in between the colors. So it has multiple color modes. Right now it's in the yellow, kind of like a more mellow. And right now it's not as powerful. Right now is the brightest. So when you flip the switch, you don't have to use a remote. You could control it that way. But it looks really, really nice installed. It's a very, very nice fan. Way nicer than the other one that I had before. Also has a bracket for the remote. You can install it on the wall and just control it from here. Also, it's not direct line of sight. So you can just keep the remote on the wall and then turn it off from here. And you have all the functions here. And also makes a beeping noise every time you change one of the features, which is nice because it tells you that you've made a change. Also comes with an app, so you could control it via an app or the remote itself. So it has all the features and functions over here, but very, very easy to install. This is definitely a do-it-yourselfer kind of a setup.